The way it works is that the transactions are added to a ledger that's shared between all the computers running the Bitcoin software. The ledger is called the blockchain. The blockchain is like a full history of all the transactions that have ever taken place with Bitcoin. They're also stored in a blockchain database. Blockchains are not encrypted like ordinary databases are, but they are provably correct. In fact, all databases are provably correct because we have complete control over the integrity of our records. It would be like if I wrote in your high school yearbook that I was the valedictorian of your graduating class, and today you discovered I had lied about being valedictorian. We have complete control over everything that is in the database. You can prove I lied, and any correction I make would require me to publish a corrections page explaining what I did and why I did it. If I did this, people would literally flock to my website to go look at my corrections page and find out what I've done. This is how provable and unalterable is stored, so all Bitcoin blockchains are completely trustworthy because they can't be modified. And yes, this is a repeatable way of doing things that can't be manipulated. This blockchain can be thought of as an immutable record of ownership of legitimate Bitcoin cash, similar to a deed to a house. In the simplest example, a Bitcoin merchant or any customer can issue a payment to any address on the blockchain. Each Bitcoin address is stored in a block of the blockchain, and all the Bitcoin owners have access to that block. They can verify it is real by looking at the public keys attached to it that match their own addresses. Okay, so a consumer on Chainlink wants to buy a coffee. They scan the blockchain and find an address of a merchant who has accepted payment in Bitcoin. They watch the transaction on their smartphone.